Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Guys, sometimes you appear in IELTS after great preparation. You perform well in your IELTS exam also. But after 10 working days, when your result is announced, you log on to the website to check your result. You are often unhappy with the result. The same thing happened with one of my Indian students. And what happened to him? He appeared in IELTS when he got the result. Listening 7 band, reading 7 band, but writing 5.5 and speaking 6. Now speaking 6 seems okay, but writing 5.5 is something that can make this IELTS certificate useless, because Canadian Embassy will not accept it. They need minimum 6. Australian Embassy will not accept it because they also need minimum 6. So he had no other way. He was thinking of repeating his IELTS test, and then he came across my video on inquiry on results. If you are dissatisfied with your IELTS result, you can go for inquiry on results. They charge heavily for this, but if your result changes, they return your money. And if the result does not change, your money is gone. Okay, so this student of mine took the risk. He applied EUR on all 4 modules because the fee is same. If you go for EUR on single module or all 4 modules, fee is same. So he decided, on my request, he decided to go for EUR on all 4 modules. And by the way, I've made a message. There are 13 points to consider before you go for EUR. So my numbers are given. You can contact on any of these numbers and you can get that EUR message. So his listening band score did not change. They use the word remained unchanged. His reading band score remained unchanged, but his writing band changed from 5.5 to 6. Now see, if you need 6 each, and your band score changes without appearing in IELTS exam, you are like, yes. This yes to you, and to them you say yes to them, okay? Yeah. And his speaking band score, which was already 6, speaking band score also changed from 6 to 6.5. And he got the money back. And now he's very happy because easily he can apply for Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and he can go there without any problem. So sometimes it's EOR, inquiry on results, that helps you achieve your desired band score, because there is a sort of half band to 1 band difference. Your IELTS result, writing result and speaking result, these 2 results depend on the examiner, and the variation can be from half band to 1.5 band. I've seen a guy who got 5.5 and after EUR his result changed to 7. 5.5 to 7, and I have seen 2 band increment also. As a result of EUR, either your result will remain same or your band is going to increase. It will never decrease, okay? Don't worry at all. It's given in the description of EUR. Either your band score will improve or it will remain same. It is not going to decrease. So if you got anything like this, I've just informed you that there is one option that exists and you can go for that. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.